Hey everyone, welcome back to Yawi Health. Today, we're tackling a significant topic, quitting smoking. Stick around to learn the top 5 ways to quit smoking and why it's crucial for your health. First on our list is nicotine replacement therapy, or NRT. This method has been a cornerstone in helping countless individuals break free from the grip of smoking. NRT is like a friendly crutch, helping you wean off cigarettes gradually. It provides a steady, controlled dose of nicotine to ease the transition. It provides low levels of nicotine to ease cravings without harmful chemicals like tar and carbon monoxide. This means you can focus on breaking the habit without the added health risks. NRT comes in various forms, each designed to suit different preferences and lifestyles. Patches, which release nicotine slowly through the skin. Gum, which can be chewed to control cravings. And lozenges, which dissolve in the mouth. Inhalers, which mimic the hand-to-mouth action of smoking. And nasal sprays, which deliver nicotine quickly through the nasal membranes. It helps reduce withdrawal symptoms like irritability and anxiety, making quitting smoother. These symptoms can often be the biggest hurdle in quitting smoking. Studies show NRT can double your chances of quitting successfully. This is a significant boost for those who have struggled to quit in the past. Consult your doctor to see if NRT is right for you. They can provide personalized advice and support throughout your quitting journey. They can recommend the best form based on your smoking history and health. With the right support and tools, quitting smoking can become a more achievable goal. Next up, prescription medications. 2 common ones are varenicline, Chantix, and bupropion, Zyban or Wellbutrin. Varenicline reduces cravings and blocks nicotine's pleasurable effects. Bupropion boosts mood and helps manage withdrawal symptoms. Both require a doctor's prescription. Your doctor will consider your medical history and other medications. Quitting smoking is personal. What works for one might not work for another. A conversation with your doctor is crucial. They can help create a personalized plan. Together, you can find the best approach for you. Chapter 3. Behavioral Therapy. In this chapter, we delve into the transformative power of behavioral therapy in the journey to quit smoking. This method dives deep into the psychology of smoking, helping you understand your cravings on a fundamental level. By recognizing the underlying triggers and emotional cues, you can start to dismantle the habitual patterns that lead to smoking. Think of it as retraining your brain to resist cigarettes. This involves creating new, healthier neural pathways that replace the old, destructive ones associated with smoking. Work with a counselor or therapist specializing in addiction. These professionals are trained to guide you through the complexities of your addiction, offering personalized strategies and support. Identify your smoking triggers and develop coping strategies. This might include recognizing specific situations, emotions, or social settings that prompt you to smoke, and learning how to navigate them without reaching for a cigarette. Techniques include deep breathing, mindfulness, and healthy distractions. Deep breathing can help calm your mind and reduce stress, while mindfulness keeps you present and aware of your actions and choices. Behavioral therapy equips you with lifelong skills to manage cravings and other challenges. These skills are not just for quitting smoking, but can be applied to other areas of your life, promoting overall well-being. Combining it with NRT or medications can increase your chances of success. Nicotine Replacement Therapy, NRT, provides a safer way to get nicotine, while medications can help reduce withdrawal symptoms and cravings. It's about understanding your habits and having the support you need. Support groups offer a community of individuals who share similar struggles and successes, providing encouragement and accountability. Quitting smoking isn't just about willpower. It's about having a comprehensive plan that includes behavioral strategies, support systems, and sometimes medical interventions. It's about making positive changes and taking control of your health. By adopting a healthier lifestyle, you not only improve your chances of quitting smoking, but also enhance your overall quality of life. Chapter 4. Mobile apps and online programs. Technology offers support right at your fingertips. These tools provide motivation, guidance, and a sense of community. Apps offer personalized plans, track progress, and celebrate milestones. Features include craving trackers and coping mechanisms. Many apps are free or affordable. Popular options include Quit Guide, Smoke Free, and My Quit Coach. Find a tool that keeps you engaged and motivated. Chapter 5. Support from friends and family. In this chapter, we will explore the invaluable role that friends and family play in the journey of quitting smoking. Quitting smoking is tough, but a strong support system can make a significant difference. The encouragement and understanding from those close to you can provide the motivation needed to stay on track. Reach out to friends, family, and coworkers. Let them know about your decision to quit smoking. Their support can be a powerful tool in your journey. Share your goals, struggles, and triumphs with them. Open communication helps them understand what you're going through and how they can best support you. Surround yourself with positive influences. Being around people who encourage and believe in you can boost your confidence and resolve. They can celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and offer support when you feel tempted to smoke. Celebrating milestones together strengthens your resolve. Join a support group or online forum for camaraderie. Connecting with others who are on the same journey can provide additional encouragement and practical advice. Quitting smoking is a personal challenge, but it doesn't have to be a solitary one. Lean on your loved ones for support. Embrace the support of those around you. Their belief in your ability to quit can reinforce your own belief in yourself. Together, you can overcome challenges and celebrate victories. Remember, the journey to quitting smoking is a shared one, and with the support of friends and family, you can achieve your goal. Quitting smoking is one of the best decisions for your health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time on Yaoi Health.